So right now, as you can see, there's a crossing malfunction due to the wind, and probably the power going out too. The gates are up and the lights are flashing right now. You can see it right now. And we're going to pass it soon. I bet the GO trains are late today, so. Windy day out today, so. Hopefully I can film a train today at this location at Newmarket GO Station. Oh, I see the problem. One of the gates are lifting up. You can see it right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's going back down due to the wind, I think. Or it's...
Yeah.
This guy is stopped on the tracks, I think, anyways. It's down right now. They should really call CN and fix this problem. You know that?
That girl over there.
Hmm?
She's getting blown away.
Man, this wind is really strong.
Bus won't go over the tracks.
Who knows, there could be a train coming soon. The Willy crossing is really flying around here. Oh look, the gate's going up again.
They're stupid buses. Buses
Going down again.
The buses will cross because of trains flashing.
You can hear the bell, hopefully. Definitely you can
It's
hear it.
stupid.
What?
The buses, they won't
Yeah.
cross because of the flashing.
Okay.
Man, this crossing gate has been crooked. You can see it. That's why the buses will not cross.
The train won't through anyway because of the...
The train is probably going to be late. So anyways, who knows? The train might stop and flag for crossing. So anyways, that's all for now.